I got rid of the Mockins bag and replaced it with a Tractor Supply box that locks. I didn't like the way the Mockins bag would look when it wasn't full. It was deflated and it just looked dirty, and this is a nice cleaner look and it's weatherproof. The Mockins bag would leak, and the Mockins bag worried me too because anybody could just take a blade and cut the bag open and go in if they wanted to. And it's not like we keep anything of value in there. It's just fluids, tent gear, you know, a can of gas, tents, parts, some spare parts, a stove. I got a little jack right here, bottle jack, and then ratchet straps. And that's just stuff I don't want to keep inside the van because of the bugs. When you have a tent and you wrap it all up, you might not see the spiders that have been hanging out in there. And if I put them in the back here, the spiders will crawl out and then climb up onto the bed. So yeah, we got this box and put it on my hitch, and it is sitting crooked. I tightened up every bolt under there. I put a shim on this side to try to raise it up, and it's still crooked. I have one of those anti-rattle hitch adapters and tightened it down all the way, and it's still higher up here. So once I get to another spot, I'll take it all apart and then see what I can do with it. But the ground clearance is better now. I had this basket dragging on the concrete in some, you know, parking lots, and so what I did was I got a 4-inch lift for the hitch. So now the hitch is higher than or level with the bumper, and before I had this was way lower and would drag just because of the length of this thing. So now it's sitting higher, looks better, and with the box, much better, cleaner look, bolted down to this, so it can't just be walked away with. But even if it wasn't bolted, it's pretty heavy. You need two people to run away with this. But yeah, I think this is a better solution to that Mockins bag. Although the Mockins bag did extend up and I could put more junk in there, I'm losing a little bit of space. But what I was thinking was taking these off and putting a couple of roto packs here for gas, like an extra maybe 5 gallons. Those two of them will be like 2.5 gallons or 2 gallons each. Have them mounted to this, and then maybe I could have the same thing done on this side with 2 roto packs for just water for showers. And then thinking about getting a shovel, and I could mount it straight to this, or come back here, mount it on that. And I was thinking about getting that tire mount for here to get the tire out from under there. And I think there's plenty of room now that this extension gave it some more room. This originally was one of the fold-ups, and I deleted the part here that folded up because it was so long that yeah, it extended out to like here. But yeah, maybe a shovel here, maybe a farm jack here, tire rack, spare tire rack there. But I'm digging it. Those are kind of big. Maybe if I get ambitious, I'll put some taillights on there. But for now, yeah, anybody have any suggestions on how to get this thing level other than weighing it down on this side? Like I said, I tried to put some type of shim on this side right here. I picked it up with a bottle jack. There was a little gap and I wedged some shims into the hitch hole there, and it still didn't really do any justice. But the box I got at Tractor Supply for about $3.99. But it's a lock box now, so it's more secure than the bag, and I can feel a little bit better about this being weatherproof too. And what's also good is this could be a good spot to, you know, as a cooktop. I could be outside here and I can have my cooktop, propane stove, cutting board, whatever, out here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the box.